In this question, we're going to revise the cumulative frequency graph, given some frequencies, which I'll abbreviate with CF, just for shorthand. Now, to find this, we do a really simple set of calculations. We find the running total of the actual frequencies. So we know that 12 people so far took between 0 and 20. So 12 people took between 0 and 20, or 12 people took less than 20 minutes. If I then add on 12 and 32 to get 44, I know that 44 people took less than 40 minutes. If I add on the further 25 to get 69, then 69 people took less than 60 minutes. Add on the 11 to get 80, which to check agrees with the number in the question. 80 people took less than 90 minutes. So I've worked out these values. I can then plot them on the graph. Now, my graph starts at 0. No one took less than 0 minutes, so I can put a dot on 0. But here's the key point. 12 people took less than 20 minutes. So I find 20 minutes and go up to 12 and put a dot. So 20 minutes, 12 people. Now 40 minutes was 44 people. So 40 minutes, I'll go up and find 44. Read the scale really carefully. Every little square is 2 people. Now 69 people and 60 minutes. So 60, 69. Then lastly, 80 people took less than 90. So be really careful here. Let's go to 90 and go up to 80 people. Then we can draw either a curve or a series of straight lines through these coordinates. And this graph always increases up, like so. And that's 3 marks. Now the question asks us to estimate the number of teachers who took between 50 and 70 minutes to travel to work. Now then, what we'll do is we'll look at the graph at 50 minutes and we'll draw a line up visibly at 50 minutes. And look at what that gives us on the y-axis. So we know that 58 people took less than 50 minutes. I'll then do the same at 70. So I'll draw a nice, clear, obvious line up. I would use in the exam a ruler. And then across we go to find that 73 people took less than 70 minutes. So 58 people took less than 50 minutes and 73 people took less than 70 minutes. So the difference between these, which is 15, means that 15 people took between 50 and 70 minutes. So again, if we read up from the x-axis, we can find the number of people who took less than a given time. So 58 people took less than 50 minutes, 73 people took less than 70 minutes, so 15 people took between 50 and 70 minutes.